Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to approach and write a code for displaying this full triangle. Here they are given 5 as input and you're supposed to print a triangle like this. So here I already told you that too many approaches are there. I'm going to explain it in one approach and write that as code. So here I'm going to explain it using this Excel. Here I'm gonna divide that full triangle into two parts. One is this and another is this. You're able to see two different color in that. So here you're able to see that this is a left triangle pattern and this is right triangle pattern. If you see that, it's very easy. So I'm gonna explain again. So for this we have, you already know that this is two-dimensional array. Here it's row and it is column. For column this is 0 1 2 3 4, and for row this is 0 1 2 3, and then here I'm going to write it like a row, and then here we are able to see gap. So gap and then star. So for 0th row there are 4 gaps and 1 star. For first row there are 3 gap and 2 stars. For second row there are 2 gaps and 3 stars. For third row there are 1 gap and 4 stars. For fourth row there are 0 gaps and 5 stars. Here we have to print this, we are using 3 for loops. So again we are writing concept for printing this. Here there is only row and star. For printing this we are using again for loop, so row and then star. For 0th row 0 star. For 1 row 1 star. For second row 2 stars. For third row 3 star. For fourth row 4 star. Here the rows are same, so for gap star star. So we are using 3 for loops again. So there are 3 for loops here. One is for row, which is iterate from 0 to n. One is for column, there it's a 3 split. One is gap, star, and then again star. For gap it's from 0 to, we have to found for which they stop. So 0 means 4, 1 means 3. We already know n is equal to 5. So if we see that, compare these both, we found that n minus 1, then we are getting 4. For 1 we have to get 3. So we are found that n minus 1 and minus row, then we get this. So we apply row value 2, then 5 minus 1 minus 2, then we get 2 as output 3. So if we apply 2 as input, then we get 2 as output. That's right. So we are finding this is a formula we are supposed to use. So here gap starts from 0 to n minus 1 minus row. For star, you already know that starts from n minus 1 minus row to n. I'm gonna telling you one thing, that if some pattern having this trick, so if here we are able to see that gap and star, there are 2 splits. For gap starts from 0 to something, then star starts from and then something to n. that is the one which we are supposed to know. That here I'm gonna writing you 0 to something, then something is going to end it till n. This is the way will work. You will remember that if we have a pattern with having two split, then you're supposed to think that one is from something and then another is from something to n. Here we are getting this pattern. Okay, for second we have to iterate from 0 to row. Here we are able to see that if 0 then 0, 1 then 1. Now I'm going to write, this is a formula we are using for printing this full triangle pattern. So I'm gonna write this as code. So here I'm gonna declare n and getting it from user. I'm supposed to declare row and column, and then for loop, the row iterates from 0 to n row plus plus. Here there are 3 for loops. For loop and third for. First for loop is using for printing gap, the second for loop is used to print star, and the third for loop is used to print star again. And then here the column starts from 0 and ended till n minus 1 minus row, and then call plus plus. Here we are supposed to print gap. For second, column starts from n minus 1 minus row, and then column ends till n and column plus plus. Here print star. For third for loop, we are supposed to iterate from 0 to row. And column plus plus. Here also we are supposed to print star. After this for loop, we are supposed to print new line. I'm gonna save it and run it. Here I'm gonna give 5 as input, then you're able to see that full triangle as output. If this video is useful for you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I also link my other star patterns in description box. If you want that, then please make sure to see that video also. Thank you.